Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla front or rear sensor failures and the potential problems that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, front or rear ultrasonic parking sensors, proximity sensors, or related assist sensor systems may fail to detect objects properly, intermittently stop working, or generate fault messages indicating a sensor error. When these failures occur, parking assist alerts may not sound, obstacle distance readings may be inaccurate or missing, and driver assistance-related functions such as auto-park or proximity warnings may behave inconsistently. This condition does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, sensor configuration, software version, and operating conditions. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves physical obstruction or contamination of the sensor surface. Ultrasonic sensors rely on clear acoustic pathways to send and receive signals. When sensor surfaces become coated with dirt, road grime, snow, ice, or debris, the sensor's ability to detect objects can be impaired, leading to false negatives or intermittent failure messages. This behavior can appear as a sensor failure until the surface obstruction is cleared. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Hardware-related factors have also been documented in verified information. These can include wiring harness wear, connector corrosion, or moisture intrusion in sensor housings, which can interrupt signal transmission or return erroneous readings. As a possible contributing factor, minor rear or front bumper impact or repeated flexing of the fascia where sensors are mounted could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Software-related behavior is another documented factor. Tesla software interprets raw sensor data and flags failures when readings are inconsistent or fall outside expected parameters. Certain software versions may adjust how sensor faults are detected and how warnings are presented to the driver. As a possible contributing factor, software calibration states after tire rotation, wheel alignment, or suspension changes could influence sensor interpretation temporarily, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include cleaning sensor surfaces, inspecting wiring and connectors for damage, and ensuring that sensor housings are properly sealed against moisture. When hardware faults are confirmed, replacement of the affected sensor or repair of the wiring harness may be necessary. Software updates can improve detection logic and reduce false failure messages, but persistent genuine sensor faults generally require physical repair. Reviewed information indicates that front or rear sensor failures are not universal and depend on environmental exposure, sensor condition, wiring, and software logic. Some vehicles may experience isolated sensor failures that resolve after cleaning or recalibration, while others may require component-level repair. In conclusion, Tesla front or rear sensor failures are most commonly linked to surface obstruction, hardware signal issues, or software interpretation limits rather than a universal sensor defect. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and resolution depends on accurate diagnosis and appropriate service action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.